good.
Alright, you want to come a little closer so you can get a good view?
Alright, have you started yet?
I started before you made your sweet comment to me.
Alright, so today's the day. We're going to plug the last hole, which is the bottom here.
We're going to put the oil pan on.
So, we got our favorite gasket sealant material here. We got our gasket and our oil pan.
And all of our bolts.
So, let's get started.
Don't lick your finger, it's toxic.
Okay. All done.
So now this engine will go in a crate.
I'll put it up for sale, see if someone locally wants it.
If someone locally wants it, then we'll sell it to them. But this engine is done.
Please buy it.
Ah.